Principle number 13 of 17, positive mental attitude. To govern your life, you must be able to govern your mind, and that is to start point of all riches. An example. Over the next few days, review how much time you spend on following negative aspects, complaining, gossiping, learning, or fearing, or not doubting, criticizing. Make an effort to erase these from your life. Apply the time you save something positive. See from principles number 2. Replace negative words can't, won't, shouldn't with positive ones: can, will, and shall. See principles number 9. Be careful what you wish for you will surely achieve it.